welcome back to mathematics class. In the previous class we have discussed about Roman numerals and rules of the Roman numerals, and also we discussed about addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. So basing on these rules children, today let us do practice time sums. So children, practice time 1.4, write the Roman numerals for each of the following. See children, we have Hindu-Arabic numerals here. Now let us consider the rules of the Roman numerals and convert them into Roman numerals. So see children, we have 58 number here. As I said, always write the given Hindu-Arabic numerals into expanded form first. So children, 58 you have to write in the expanded form in this way. 50 plus 8. Then you have to look up for the direct symbols of Roman numerals. Whether do we have direct symbol for 50 or not? Yes, it is L children. So L. And whether do we have symbol for 8, direct symbol for 8? We do not have. So we write in the form of 5 plus 3 children. So 5, what is the symbol of 5? V. So 3 means what children? We can keep 3 I's. I and I. So I and I. So see children, we got answer like this. L plus V I means 50 and 8. It gives us answer as 58 children. So 58 means what? L V I. Okay children. Now let us go for question B. 90 children. So how do you write 90? Can we write in the form of 50 plus 40? If you write in the form of 50 plus 40, see 40, what is the symbol? We do not have direct symbol. We have to write 4x. But basing on rule 1, what is that children? We can repeat maximum 3 times IXCM. VLD never repeat. So x can we repeat 3 times or 4 times? It is 3 times only. So 50 plus 90. We could not do it. So what do we do? We have to subtract from 100. So 100 minus 10 give us 90 children. So this we have to write in this form. 100 minus 10 children. Okay. Now what is 100 children? Symbol of 100 is C. Symbol of 100 is C children. Now we are subtracting minus 10. Means as per rule 3 children, where do you keep the lesser value symbol? Left side or right side? It is on the left side children. So what is the symbol of 10 in the Roman numeral? It is X. So I am placing X. So this is how we get 90 Roman numerals children. That is XC. 90. So last question children, we have 284. As I said, first let us go for the expanded form. 200 plus 80 plus 4. Okay children. So first we have to go for the direct symbols or not combination of symbols. 200 we do not have direct symbol, but we can write 100 plus 100. What is the symbol of 100 children? C. So C and C we can write. So this gives us 200 children. 80. Again 80 we do not have direct symbol. What do we do children? We can write it as 50 plus 30. So 50 symbol is L. And 30. How do you write children? 3 tens 30. That means 3x we have to write. 3 x's. Okay children. And then last 4. Do we have direct symbol for 4? No. It should be written as 5 minus 1. 5 symbol is V children. Minus 1 on the left side, smaller value. So I on the left side children. So this is 200, this is 80 and this is 4 children. So this is how we get 284 as children. C, L, X, I, V. So we converted Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Now let us go for the next bit children. So second bit children, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for each of the following. So first Roman numeral is CX children. So let us revise all the rules. C and X. C means 100. X means 10. So the smaller symbol is inserted after the greater symbol. That means right of the greater symbol. So we have to do addition or subtraction children. Yes, we have to do addition children. So CX children, first of all let us write C. So C means what, children? 100 plus X means 10. This will give answer as 110, children. So look here. So Cx means what, children? 110. Okay, children. Now look. L, I, V. L 50. I and V together we have to read, because this is small symbol when compared with this. So I is written left of the greater symbol V. That means 5 minus 1, 4, children. So how do we write this? 50 plus 5 minus 1, children. So 5 minus 1 means 50 plus 5 minus 1, 4. So 50 plus 4, it gives us what, children? 54. So LIV means 54, children. Okay. Now see question. X and L. What is the value of X, children? 10. L means 50. That means see, a symbol is written left of the greater value symbol. So we have to subtract, children. Subtract from this greater symbol. So this value is 50, we know. So how do we write 50? 50 and minus 10, children. So 50 minus 10, what gives us? 40. So the Roman numeral conversion is like this. XL means what, children? 40. Okay, children, let us go for next bit. So children, third bit, solve the following and write the answer in Roman numerals. So question is given in Roman numerals. We have to convert them first into Indo-Arabic numerals. We have to do operations like subtraction means subtraction, addition means addition. So after we get answer in the Indo-Arabic numerals only. That Indo-Arabic numerals we have to convert again back to Roman numerals, children. So what is our first step, children? First we have to convert them into Indo-Arabic numerals, children. So L, what is the value of L, children? 50. So minus XX. 2x's means what, children? 20. So 50 minus 20, what answer, children? 30. Now we got answer in Indo-Arabic numerals, but what? We have to convert again right into Roman numerals only. So what is the symbol of 30, children? In Roman numeral, 3x's, 30 means. Okay. So our answer is XXX. Okay, children. Now go for second question, B question. LX plus CM. So first we have to convert into Indo-Arabic numerals. LX, children. L means what? 50. X 10. So 10 is written right of the bigger value. So what? Addition. 50 plus 10, children, 60 it is. Now plus C. What, children? 100. M 1000. C is written left of the greater symbol value. So what we have to do? We have to subtract, children. 1000 minus 100. What is the value, children? It is 900. Very good. So 900 plus 60. So 900 plus 60. How do you write, children? 900 plus 60. 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 6? 6. 9 plus nothing means 9. So we got answer as 960, children. Now convert back this into again Roman numerals. So how do you convert, children? I said go for expanded form first. So 900 plus 60. So 900 symbol is CM plus 60 symbol is LX, children. Okay. So our answer will be like this. Directly we can write CM LX 960. We got 960, children. If you observe LX CM and CM LX, here the answer didn't change because here ones place 0 matching, and here in the tens place we have 0, here we have 6. There is no regrouping. Whenever the question comes in the form of regrouping, then answer will change. This doesn't work out all the time, children. Now go for this question. XL minus XXXI. So XL children, what is the value of XL directly? You can say 40. 50 minus 10, 40. Okay children, let us write in this way. It is 40 minus 31 children. 40 minus 31. So we have to do subtraction. 40 minus 31 children. 0 minus 1. Is it possible? No. So we have to regroup. 10 here and 3 here. 10 minus 1 children. 9. And 3 minus 3, 0. So we got answer as 9 again. We got answer as 9. So we have to convert this 9 into Roman numerals children. So how do we write 9? We write 9 as 10 minus 1. So that means 10 minus 1 means what children? X 10 minus 1 on the left side. So this is our answer. So we got answers like this. Ix means 9 answer, and here Cm, Lx, and we got answer here Lx 30. Let us go for next bit children. So children, fill in the blanks with Roman numerals, fourth bit. So the blanks are given. We know answers well in Hindi Arabic numerals. We have to write them in the Roman numerals children. So March has how many days children? 31 days. So 31 means what children? 30 symbol X X X. So 30 symbol is X X X X X X, and 1 symbol is I. Leap year has dash days. Total leap year, if you take 2020 this year, how many days children? We have 366. Generally in normal years we have 365 days, but in leap year we have 366 days children. So 366, how do you write? 366. So 300 symbol 3 C's children. Okay, and 66. 60 symbol is what children? 50 plus 10 Lx. Now 6 symbol children, V plus I means 5 plus 1 6 Vi. So 366 children. Now a hour has dash minutes. In an hour how many minutes are there? We know 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So what is the symbol of 60? 50 plus 10, that means Lx children. A fortnight has how many days? So generally we count fortnight means 14 days children. Fortnight, fortnight. 2 fortnight are there. 14 days are there. So 14 days, how do you write in Roman numerals children? 14 means how do you write children? 10 plus 4. What is the symbol of 10 children? X. So plus 4, we cannot write directly 4 i's. We have to subtract 1 from 5 children. Okay. How? V minus 1. That means how do you write? V minus 1 means on the left side you write 5 symbol is V, minus 1 means I, you have to keep on this way. So this is the symbol of 14 children. Let us go for the next bit. So children, fifth bit, write the following statement using Roman numerals. So question is, computer mouse was invented in 1964. That means 1964. Same statement we have to write in Roman numerals children. So computer mouse was invented in. So 1964 children year, that means if you see the numeral 1964. So for our clear understanding, let us write that in expanded form. What children? 1000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 4. So using this we can clearly form the Roman numeral children. 1000 symbol, what is the symbol of 1000 children? M. Symbol of 900 children, 1000 minus what? 100. So 1000 minus 100 means what? 1000 minus 100 on the left side. So C. And 60 symbol children, 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. That means Lx. So Lx. And last symbol, 4 symbol, 5 minus 1. We express in the form of 5 minus 1. So 5 means V, minus 1 I on the left side. So this is how we represent 1964 children. MCM LX IV. Now go for the sixth question children. Write the following statements using Hindu-Arabic numerals. Statement is given in Roman numeral. We have to convert and write the same statement in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in. So Roman numeral is given children. Let us convert them. M means what children? 1000. D 500. And see we have to have 1000, 500 means 1500. But see, you can see C, C, C. So as per rule 2, when smaller value symbols are kept on the right of the bigger value symbols, we have to add. So 1000 children, and this entire we have to add 1000, and this is 500 plus 300. How much children? 1800. That means 1800 children. So 1800 children. L 50. X, X, X. See children, if you go for places, thousands place, hundreds place, and this will be tens place children. So 50, 60, 70, 80 in that way children. So in thousands place we have digit 1, and 800 means what children? In hundreds place 800. So 8, 80, 8 tens, that means 8. Last children, IX we have. IX means what children? X minus I, that the meaning is. So 10 minus 1, that is 9 children. So Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 1889. In the year means what children? We represent in the, we read in the year 1889. Okay children. So children, hearts, match the following questions. So here we have few questions on the left hand side, and we have to match it with the right hand side. First go with the first question children. MMCXXVII. So the question is given in the Roman numerals. We have to convert into Hindu Arabic numerals. So we can match from here. So first see children here. M means what? 1000. And one more M, 1000. So 2000 children. Then see here. C 100. 2100 children. X 20. 2120. And VII means 7. So 2127. Which option children? It is option D. Okay children, see the question is given in this way. Let us insert commas according to the periods of Indian system. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. So what is the question children? 9 crore 36 lakh 28,123. Here also let us insert commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. See children, from 9 crore 36 lakh 28,123 we have to subtract this. Means see here we have to subtract only 1. Which place? Lakhs place. So 6 minus 1 gives us 5. So 9 crore 35 lakh 28,123. That is option E children. Now see, let us insert commas here also. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So children, 2 crore plus 1 crore gives us 3 crore. Which option? See here children, directly C option. Let us check for verification. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 3 crores children. Successor of number. So which number? First let us insert commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So it will be 1 crore 23 lakh 48,678 children. Successor in what children? Plus 1 of the given number. That plus 1 we have to add for the 8 only. So it will become 9 in the ones place. Check children once. You can get option A here. Predecessor of this number children. If you go, what is the number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 4 crore 38 lakh 3,536. What's the predecessor? Means minus 1. So last digit, last, see in the ones place we have 6. 6 minus 1 gives us 5. Where? Check children here. So option B. Place value of 3 in this children. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs children. So 10 lakhs into 3, 10 lakhs place, and the digit is in the 10 lakhs place is 3. So 30 lakh. Option is F children. Okay. So children, by this we have completed first chapter, large numbers. So in this chapter what we have discussed children? First, Indian system of numeration we have learned. International system of numeration you have learned. So we compared between Indian system and international system of numeration also. So up to 10,000 place it is same children. Up to 10,000 place both in Indian system, international system it is same. So whereas 1 lakh in the Indian system it is 100,000 in the international system children. And whereas 1 million in international system equal to 10 lakhs in the Indian system. This is very important children. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. You have to remember this. After that what we did children? We have seen expanded form of a given number and also standard form of a given number. After that we discussed about place value and also face value children. Remember one thing children, the face value of a digit in a given number is always the digit itself children. Okay. Next we have discussed about predecessor of a number, successor of a number, and comparison of numbers greater than number, less than number. And basing on these comparisons we have discussed about ascending order as well as descending order. So what is meant by ascending order children? It is arrangement of given numbers from smallest number to largest number. So reverse order, that is reverse order is descending order children. Same arrangement but from the largest number to smallest number, that is descending order children. You have also seen rounding of the given numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. So for rounding off also you got some rules children. And see children, I said you one sentence in that rounding of numbers. 1 2 4 slide on the floor, 5 2 9 climb up the vine. So if you remember this, the concept will be very easy children, and follow that rules also. Then we have discussed about what children? Roman numerals, rules of Roman numerals. So how to form the Roman numerals? Using the rules. So we have 4 rules we have discussed already children, and while converting Roman numerals we have to look up the 4 rules compulsory. Addition of Roman numerals, subtraction of Roman numerals. So all these topics we have covered in this chapter 1 children. Once again go through all this concept, practice well children. Let us meet with a new chapter in the next class. Have a great day children.